Hey guys, welcome to this new video. This video is basically going to only be going over the horse riding. I don't have too much, but it is just a little snippet, and it's a funny clip, so do enjoy.
Like how Rico bang?
There's a horse here!
Ooh, ooh.
Ride it. Ride it to us.
Ride that
shit
bitch.
all
We
the way
need
to
that
us.
bitch. Wait, can you double mount? Haha, pussy, you real quiet now,
I don't think
bitch.
so.
You're real quiet now, bitch.
Hey, it should be like a gyro.
After I raped
Hey,
you,
it
took
should
your
slow
500
down with
scrap,
another
you piece
person on.
of shit.
Dude, calm down.
I'm so hyped. I'm about to smoke a lot of ADHD medicine and call out.
Yeah.
Yeet. Dude, I thank you for that 500 scrap. I know you fought very long and hard for that.
Oh my god. This
I
is
know
not
you
good.
fought very long and hard. If you open that door, I can get the rest.
Dude, we almost have enough scrap for a T3 in this bitch.
I know, it's just wild.
Wait. Oh,
Is there a metal pick?
should I learn the garage door?
Pussy ain't got a mic. Pussy ain't got a mic.
Wait,
No, we don't.
guys,
We don't need garage.
Yard me, I
doors.
need you to come get this.
we do though for the inside of the space.
Yard me.
Wait,
Not
did
like
we learn
at
it
this
or no?
second.
No, but should I? Because I mean, we don't.
Yes!
Yeah, okay, I want to learn it.
Yard me.
It's only like 75 scrap.
Oh, true.
Yeah,
I forgot it was like 300. I'm gonna make a
No, it
research
needs to be
bench too.
More than 75.
Yard me, I need you.
Shit,
What?
they had
What?
a research bench in their base, dude.
Come get this.
Oh man, we
No,
definitely lost
driver's
out.
not a priority. I need to get the garage.
Yes, it
door.
is.
Dude, we could have got so much more. It's
We
fine.
need this to fly over all of our shit. Come on.
Hold on. I'm currently making the research table. Let me depot that shit.
Alright, pussy, I will leave
Oh,
now.
I'll
Bye
come
bye,
back.
bitch.
Hold on.
Thanks for the loot.
Do you
I
have?
don't want
do you
Dude,
have-
anyone
if
else
you
to
can
get
put
it.
it next to the stairs.
well, where are we gonna land it? On top of the
On
base?
the roof.
Yeah, on
Fuck.
top of the
The roof that we now have access to because of you.
Nobody else here has flown one.
I cannot
Can
fly.
you make a
I
metal
have,
pickaxe?
but I'm out farming. I've been
Please?
farming for like the last 3 hours non-stop.
And that's why we're gonna get this so we can fly to him to get all the loots.
Nah,
Got you.
We're gonna
bring me a
raid him.
Tier 1 and lots of pickaxes and tools. Tier 1 tools.
Hold on, I'm trying. I guess I put the research
And a
bench on
furnace.
the
Bring
roof or
me a
something.
furnace also. I need at least one furnace over here.
Whoa. Orders.
He's breaking something. What are you breaking, pussy boy? Aww.
It's fine, just leave.
He only has one door. No, camp that shit.
Exactly.
Because, yeah, they might try to place another door.
So just
Hold on,
stop.
let me
pretend
learn the
they're on
garage
way.
door
We
really
need to
quick
raid 'em.
before anything goes south. Cause that's a big come up.
We need
TNT, you wanna watch this?
so bad.
Yard me. See me on the map?
Alright, ho, sir, come on, don't
Hold on.
kill me, bro. For fuck's sakes, I was on a horse.
Were you riding it?
Yeah! What's up,
Fuck, how
Klinger
is it?
88? Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. It was short. It was just a little snippet. Hopefully the audio actually all lines up there. It sounds like it's a little off in my recording, but I want to pray it is all good. Anyways, guys, that's the horse riding. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.